Hi everyone, it's Mandy. Thank you for joining. I'm Mandy Ross with Gwen's Foxy Nest, and I am a Chalk Couture independent designer. And I welcome you to how do you get involved with Chalk Couture? It's so new to everyone, and I just kind of want to share my journey with it. And from being just a customer all the way to being an independent designer, I just kind of want to walk you through a flow of how you kind of dip your pinky toe into it, and then how you can dive right in. So first of all, welcome to my page. I have a VIP group that I'll talk about later as I'm go through the process. But when you come in and join my VIP group, I already kind of offer you different ideas on how to use our product and how our products are used and what surfaces you can use them on. And then I offer you kind of like a little sampler pack. It's very affordable. It's just a way for you to get your hands on the product to see if you even like it, to see if you would actually enjoy it and use it in your crafts and your DIY products. So Chalk Couture is just an easy way to make affordable DIY chalkboard art. So here's just a small little chalkboard chip that we have. We go all the way up to the big boards that you can use. And if you go through my videos, you can kind of see some of the projects that I've been completing. You can use it on any surface scrolls. You can use it on we offer our chalkboard chips, our chalkboards, but you can use it on wood. You could use it on vases, glass, pillows, t-shirts, pretty much any surface you can think of. I'm going to say just about, because there's probably that one surface that it won't work on. So I'm just going to walk you through how you can get involved. If you have questions, just let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. But when you first kind of want to start, you kind of want to just see what it's about, right? So normally in the VIP group, I have what I call a sample kit. And this is just, you're going to get basically for $12, 12 to 15, depending on what's going on at that time. You're going to get a chalkable chip. It's just a chalkboard on both sides, okay? You're going to get a mini transfer, and depending on what I have available, what's going on this season, is what will be offered. So our transfers are bendable. They're reusable 8 to 12 times, okay? That's made possible by our chalk paste. Our chalk paste is water soluble, so it goes on wet and it dries hard. You don't have to worry about it coming off, but when you're ready for it to come off, all you do is just put a little bit of elbow grease into it and just wipe it off with like a Lysol wipe, okay? And then I give you a mini squeegee. So I have projects to show you how this works. So I'm just gonna kind of walk you through how you get started in here. So, but if you kind of want to, if you're new and haven't ever seen a project done and what these things are about, please go and look at how I've completed a project with them, okay? Another deal I might do is in the VIP groups, that's where all these sample kits and my giveaways will happen. It's an exclusive group to only my customers. Please join it. I'll have the link below, and just come check it out and see what you think about it. We also will offer like an A-size transfer with paste and a squeegee, and then you use your own surface. So again, it's very cost effective just to kind of get your feet wet to see, hey, do I even like this project? Will it work where I want it to work? Do I enjoy it? So that's two cost-effective ways to get you started. The third would be to join our subscription club. So our monthly subscription club, you would get an exclusive transfer. We never know what it is until the first of the month. It will be shipped directly to your house every month. It's what we like to call Happy Mail. So at the time you buy your Chalk Couture, you also have an option to purchase an additional box. And this is the only one time that you get to purchase it is when you do your Chalk Couture, okay? So your box will come like this. And what you'll get in there is actually 2 surfaces, a chalk paste, a 3-ounce chalk paste like this, and like 3 different tools. So our squeegees, our multi-tools, and our board erasers. Let's see, show you like a board eraser. So this just helps you complete the projects and clean up your transfers with ease, okay? The third and final way is actually to get our designer kit. And our designer kit is actually going to come in a box like this, got upside down, okay? It's going to come with about $250 worth of product. This month is actually more. They actually included 2 more transfers, and it's December of 2019, so if you're watching this way ahead of time. In 2019, they actually included 2 extra transfers, so it made it above the 250 mark. But what you'll get is you'll get your startup guide. So this will kind of be here, okay? And you can join it as a hobbyist or run it as a business as I am. You don't have to do what it's designed to work the way you want to work, okay? So if you just buy a bunch of crafts and looking for a 40% off discount, become a hobbyist. I am low key. I go with the flow. I'm not going to ask anybody to do anything they're not willing to do, okay? We're all busy. We all have our own little dreams and our own little desires. And I want you to come in where you feel comfortable. And if you want to grow, when you're ready to grow, you'll grow. We have the resources and the training for that available. So it's all up to you. Okay, so if you want to come in and just get your kit and figure it out, that's perfectly fine. Okay, just come when you're ready. So your kit comes with your guide. It comes with a catalog, an apron, and a small squeegee to help you do your projects. Okay, and then 7 to 10, I guess 7 to 9 transfers. Okay, so this month you'd actually get 9 transfers, I think it is. You're gonna get 5 different chalkology pastes. In this size. It's a nice size. It will last you a while, and they change varying different designer boxes change. So this designer box is going to last from December to the end of January, I think, and it's the Valentine's mix. Okay, and then you're going to get 3 different surfaces. Okay, so different varying surfaces that you can try, and they make it all very interchangeable with your paste and your transfers. They all work very nicely together, so you can start doing projects. You can do, obviously you can just use a single project, a single transfer just to do a project, or you can combine them and create your own project. Use your different colors. That's all entirely up to you. But the benefits of being a designer is obviously you get a discount. Okay, you get 40% off all your products. The designer box itself is right around $100. I think it's like $99. You get to join a community. I'm going to tell you, the group that I've joined is just a great group of ladies. Super talented in DIY home decor, social media training. If you have a question and we don't have the resource done, I can guarantee you that it will get done. Okay, so super motivated, everyone's willing to serve, and make sure that you're successful as you want to be. So if you're successful with just you and a girlfriend having wine and creating your chalk projects, we're great with that. Okay, if you want to build a team and grow your business, there's the resources for that. So you get to choose how you want to do Chalk Couture. No one's going to tell you when, where, what, when, okay? So, or how. That's totally up to you. So, if you have questions, if you want to know more, just reach out to me. Low pressure. I think we have like an opportunity call like once a month that you're welcome to come to. Just let me know and I'll invite you to that as well. That's it, ladies. Like, this is about as pressure as you're going to get. So I don't like to be pressured to do things. I kind of like to just do things on my own. I love to craft. I want to keep it that way. I want to keep this as a fun a fun hobby business for me, and I want to make sure that that's the way you feel about it. You know, I want you to get up every morning excited that you actually get to do this. If you choose, you know, I want you to be able to, you know, work it the way you want to work it. So yeah, that's about as much pressure as you're going to get. So just let me know if you're interested, and I'll get you set up with the resources that you need. And thank you very much for joining. Talk to you later. Bye.